Again, lock videos will continue on Wednesdays and vlogs will be up on Saturdays, guys. Okay, if you ain't subscribed, honey, join the family. What you waiting on? Okay, hello. Hello, you guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 25. We did it! Whoop, 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 whoop. We did it, y'all. We made it to Vlogmas Day 25. If you're watching this on Christmas, Merry Christmas to you guys. I hope you guys are having a very, very Merry Christmas, a happy holidays, okay? I'm so happy, I'm so excited that I was able to do this, child, because it was a struggle. But we made it through, that's all that matters. I did want to mention that lock videos will continue to be uploaded on Wednesdays and vlogs on Saturdays once Vlogmas ends. So you guys can look out to that, look out for that. I can't talk. And yeah, thank you guys so much for all the views, all the new subscribers, all the comments, all the love you guys have been showing. I appreciate you guys so much. We're about to go to Dollar Tree and Walmart since I didn't do that yesterday. And yeah, so I appreciate you guys so much for rocking with me. So let's head in to Dollar Tree. Oh wow, shows is bigger. Okay. We need, I'm gonna have to look at my list, y'all, in a second. But I know I need some bags. These is what? Boxes. I don't think I'm doing no boxes, cause I ain't wrapping, child. On the honey butter chicken biscuit, does that come with cheese on it?
No.
Can I add cheese to it?
Yeah, do you want American cheese or the breakfast Swiss cheese sauce?
The American. And can I have orange juice as my drink, please? And that's it.
Okay, that's $6.96 the first window. Thank you.
Alright, y'all, so we pretty much got what we needed at a Dollar Tree for the most part. I'm really just doing like goodie bags. Oh, I forgot this has this dip. Hold on, y'all. Alright, it's $6.96.
I like your hair.
Thank you.
There you go. You have a good holiday.
Thank you, you too. Hold on, y'all. Thank you.
Have a wonderful morning.
Thank you, you too. Okay, y'all. So, we pretty much got what we needed out of Dollar Tree. I'm doing like kind of like goodie bags, like how you would do like stocking stuffers for people. I'm doing like goodie bags for like my sister and stuff like that. Just getting stuff, like a whole bunch of little stuff that I know that they need or that I know that they like. So you know, some cute stuff like that. So I pretty much got what I needed out of Dollar Tree. I know, seatbelt. I'm literally about to go park in Walmart. I had to go to Wendy's to get me something to eat, y'all, because I'm sorry for the lighting. Don't go to Walmart and you hungry, child. Even if you think you're gonna be in there for a split second, don't do it. I'm trying to tell you, don't go to Walmart and you hungry. So I'm about to eat real quick, and then we're gonna go into Walmart and get the last minute stuff that we need. I don't know why my behind waited till Christmas Eve, but you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. Y'all, do y'all ever have to like get y'all mind together before you go in Walmart? I can't tell you how long I've been sitting out here and I ain't even got out the car yet. But I'm gonna blame it on me eating my breakfast. But y'all, it sucks because Walmart be like a one-stop shop, but then it's also like, oh my God, I don't want to go in here. So I don't know how much I'm gonna vlog in here, y'all, because I really am trying to get in and out. And my list keeps getting bigger and bigger because Mama needs stuff, Chris needs stuff, and I'm just like, So if I don't vlog too much in here, y'all, I'm sorry. It is what it is. It's Christmas Eve. So, alright, y'all. I'm about to go and do this. Get this over with. Y'all, why have I ended up in Walmart for over an hour? I got everything that I needed to get, that my mama needed, that Chris needed. This is everything. Y'all, I cannot vlog. It wasn't too busy in here, but I had to substitute stuff because they didn't have the usual stuff, and you can never just be in and out of Walmart unless you really just got 1 or 2 items. Like, honestly. Let's see if I can get in this line and check out so I can bounce. Alright, y'all, so I'm back at the house. I'm tired. Walmart is always like just draining and Anywho, so I'm at home. I'm about to put these gifts together real quick. Wash the dishes, clean the kitchen so it's clean. For when babe get off work and come home and cook. And then we'll go to my mama's house so we can look at what I got, babe. I'm not worried about them seeing this because they don't really watch the vlogs, and this is gonna go out when they get the gift anyway. So like I told y'all, I was doing like a goodie bag for everybody, and was just getting stuff that like I knew they needed. So I didn't want all these bags in my car no more. So I'm just gonna package them up here at the house. This is one bag. They really did not have no bags at Dollar Tree. And I didn't even really look at Walmart. So, this. You know, I'm not gonna lie. I really had fun shopping for people this season, even though I don't know, I really wasn't in the Christmas spirit for the most part. I still, you know, enjoyed getting gifts. Threw that right in y'all's face. Sorry. I enjoy getting gifts for people. I got my brother, he likes Egyptian cotton sheets. So I got him some sheets. And this boy never have a phone case on his phone. So I literally got him a clear phone case. And hopefully he still feels like he doesn't have a case on. But he does. So his, I'm just going to keep in this box. And I'm just going to wrap the box. So that's going to stay like that. And then I got belts for my brother, my other brother, and Chris. So this is... Every man always need a belt, okay? No matter if they got one or not, you can never have too many belts with men because, child, they wake up one morning and their belt broke. Because it has happened to Chris several times, okay? Several times. I got, hold on, y'all. I got this jacket for one of my brothers for Christmas. I hope he likes it. I'm excited about this jacket. He said he needed jackets. So I tried to find him some jeans. I couldn't find none in his size. And he likes Nautica too. So I also got him this Nautica pullover. So yeah. Hopefully everybody likes their gifts. I tried to be thoughtful and see what, you know, they needed. And try to like pay attention to like stuff I would see that they would need around the house or stuff that they would like mention. I got my mama and my sister some leggings, phone cases. My sister's going natural. Got her some natural hair products. Gotta have that good brush. My mom wanted some cases for her Apple Watch. And then my soon-to-be brother-in-law, he likes Hershey's. I got him some screwdrivers, a tape measure, just, you know, some little stuff here and there. And then I got some more stuff for him for my mom's house. So, yeah, y'all. So this is what I had to do for bags. Oh my gosh, that bag tore. See, this is Dollar Tree for you. This is Dollar Tree for you. I'm gonna have to make that work though. Unless my mom has bags at her house. So, anywho, y'all, that's what I'm doing right now. I'll be heading to Mama's house here soon. So, I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so I got everything packaged up. All the gifts and stuff. This one I'm gonna wrap when I get to my mama's house. And then that's another toy for my nephew that I'm gonna wrap when I get to mama's house too. So, let's go. You make me, hey, so much to do. What? This is my childhood, y'all. I ain't know nothing about what was going on, child, but we was singing this, okay? Y'all, we got the delivering done, and now I'm about to go to Brahms, because if you don't know about Brahms, baby, you gotta have your eggnog. And then you also gotta have your French vanilla ice cream to go with your peach cobbler, okay? So I'm about to go get that and go to the liquor store. So much last minute stuff on Christmas Eve, but it's gonna be all right. We good. We got everything done today. My brother picked up the champagne for the mimosas for breakfast in the morning. So again, I hope you guys have enjoyed Vlogmas. This is the last one. I'm a little sad, but I'm also happy as hell. Again, lock videos will continue on Wednesdays and vlogs will be up on Saturdays, guys. Okay? If you ain't subscribed, honey, join the family. What you waiting on, okay? Hello. Anywho, y'all, so we about to go to Brahms, the liquor store, and then we're gonna wrap this up, y'all. I love y'all. Y'all, the daggone Brahms is closed. And everything closed early, so I'm gonna have to try to go to Homeland. I want this one.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah. Okay. Not.
Hey y'all, so I don't even remember the last thing that I vlogged, but basically Browns was closed, Homeland was closed, so I didn't get the other stuff that I needed, so we're gonna go to Chris tomorrow. Thank you guys. Don't shake your head at me. Thank you guys so much for watching all the Vlogmas videos and tuning in every day. It was fun. I am glad it's over with though, because I need a break, but I love y'all. Remember, Loc videos are going to come out on Wednesdays, and weekly vlogs will come out on Saturdays at 8 a.m. I love you guys so much. And now we're going to end this, okay? You ready, dear? I'm bothering him while he playing the game, y'all, to end this Vlogmas.
Okay, you have my attention now. What is it now?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And happy Vlogmas. Love y'all. Bye.
Bye.